racing.
Yeah, because it's the takeover, isn't it?
It's the what?
The takeover weekend, is it? I don't know, I saw something on the maps.
see what the turning circle's like.
Well, yes.
It's not going to risk it.
No, I think we're going to go for a multi-point turn.
Oh, they're nice.
Up close and personal with the boss.
Maybe it's going to temporarily stop here for a while. Maybe it's going to turn back.